What makes time on the water? Moments to escape it all, and a chance to make lifelong memories possible. It starts here. In the middle of America. Deep in the night. A stirring begins. As the lights turn on, and the memory makers begin their day. When the early morning glow spreads across this community, the sweat of a long day has already set in. As the sun begins to rise, a chance for someone to make new memories on the water can now be realized.